So attendees wait for some minutes, like we are facing some technical issue, will start soon.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Yes, you are.
Okay, let's go. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to AWS 101 Create, Deploy, Go Live. Today marks a milestone for AWS Student Builder Group's BSRTR as we host our very first technical AWS session and go live on YouTube for the very first time ever. If you've ever wondered how websites are hosted on cloud, today we'll not only learn, we'll do it yourself. By the end of this session, you'll have your own AWS account, a solid understanding of cloud fundamentals, and your very first website deployed on AWS. Let's make this the beginning of our cloud prep journey. And are you all excited? I hope so. Yeah, let's start. Let's get started. Now, before we get started to the technical part of our today's session, I'd like to invite our beloved Tudor Binder Group leader, Tasak, to briefly introduce the AWS Tudor Binder Group and share what we are all about.
So yes, hello everyone. Good evening. I am Prasad Limbekar, the student builder group leader of our institute, that is BSRTR. So I would like to welcome to all for the event that is AWS 101 deploy build and website hosting for you for on the AWS. So let's get started. So before that, some of you might are new and some might know about what is AWS and what is cloud. So let's get started. So we are gonna have an event where we are going to create an account, deploy it on website using S3 on mini services. So let's get started. You might know that what is cloud computing. Cloud computing is like pay-as-you-go model, where we rent our any services and we can access it whenever we want. So that's about cloud computing. It is going to be introduced more by the Tanmay itself. And what is AWS? It's also be on the Tanmay as well. So what is AWS? SBG BSLTR. So it is the student-led community, which is led by student itself, where we explore the AWS services. We have the management of overall AWS infrastructure. Then we host the events. We build the rightful technologies needed for the students and etc. So that's about it. So I would like to mention all. You should have the proper infrastructure to listen to the all the our core members, and they will explain you nicely. So yeah, over to Vedant. So yes, Prasad, thank you. It was a great introduction. So Tanmay, yeah, thank you. So first of all, before going towards the proper deployment on technical things, first the basics parts, that is creating an account of AWS console. So firstly, we'll go to that part. So I will share the screen with a video. So basically, security concerns are there. That's why we have recorded a complete video about the login, how we create an account, and what are the legal documents are required so that we can create a student IDs. So yeah, so all of you are visible to this screen. So basically, as you can see, we are going to a specific path on the any web browser. So starting with the AWS Amazon.com. Basically,
this is the only URL that you can go for the AWS console. So after that, you have to create an account to use AWS console services. So where you are going for create account, you must know an acronym of yourself. So as you can see, I have typed my acronym so I can create my account with respected email ID. So yeah, as you can see here, there is after creating an or giving an email ID for the specific attribute, you can after that you can get a specific code, verification code, which is required that your email ID is currently in use and which is legal with validation code. That is verification code. So after that, you will receive a specific verification code that you have to enter in this. So yeah, after entering, your email ID will automatically get verified, as you can see here. And for this, you have to enter a specific and a strong password that can help you to log into your account. So basically, it must matches the proper general cases of passwords like or then lower and upper cases with symbols and numbers. After that, after the password all matching cases are done, step one is of password and account creation is done. After that, all the legal procedures will start. So basically, as of now, we are students are we are going to have an free plan. So yeah, I have selected free plan. Now, as it's for myself, I will give my information, my full name. Organization will be of myself only, like individual. After that, there is one main attribute of giving phone number for billing address and all those things. Basically, in AWS Cloud Console, only 2 rupees will be cut and will be refunded immediately. So remember this thing, no extra charges will be paid for this thing. After that, all the information are filled. Step 2 is completed. So yeah. After this, you have a pop-up window for what type of payment you are going to choose. I will always prefer to set up an UPI auto pay. Like credit card and debit card does not have an cancellation policies. So after choosing an UPI, you can get an pop-up QR which you will scan with any or whether it will be Google Pay or anything. So yeah, it will automatically verify. After this, you will get a message of authentication successful. In this, you will select what type of identity you have, what for what work you are using this. Like for individual work, we always choose for individual. And I would strongly recommend to upload your driving license for this, as it may does not leak as such as whole information and identity of yourself, and which will be a good legal document for creating an AWS console account. All the date of birth, your license number